This video is on how to prepare your images for the website. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Drive, and hopefully you've used Anna all these years and everything's there. A couple of you had to put some things in there recently, so if the last time you checked it wasn't there, it might be now. You should have a folder called Art. So you're going to double click on Art, and that should have all of your artwork in there. Okay, and here they come up, and I'm going to pick one of them to be my final, and let's say that painting of the face, that looks pretty good, or I'll do this little girl right there, that looks good. So what you want to do here is go to New, and then come down, remember you're in art class, and go to Drawings. Okay, and then the first thing that I want to do when I get on here, so I don't forget later, is call this something like Photo 1, and you can call the other one Photo 2. And then I'm going to go to Insert Image, and it's going to ask me a couple things like from the drive. I'm going to go Yes. And over here to the right, I should get the drive. And I'm going to click on that. Once I go to drive, once I have to pick that folder again. The reason we went to the folder first, however, is so that your this document will be saved in the right place. So I'm going to scroll down here and find that little girl on her side there with the cloud over her head. And then I'm going to, first thing I want to do is to turn it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and on the side and turn it, and I'm going to put it up right in the corner. And you see where see that line turned red there? If I get both lines turned red, then it is in the corner, which is good. I'm going to hit crop. Now that's those two little squares that go together like this. So now I have the right size, and crop it. And if I use the corner, it'll get it kind of proportional. I'll hit like that. I want to get all of that wood gone, so I'll go like that. And then hit enter. And now I guess I'm going to have to get it on the red dot lines again. Okay, so now I'm in the corner. I need to make the paper smaller now. So if you go down here to the corner of your paper, I don't know if you can see it, but there's three little lines. When I grab that, I'm going to make the paper the exact same size as the image. And then I've cropped and I've changed that. And I'm pretty much done with that. I click on that, and there should be in this folder, when I scroll down here, there should be something called Photo 1. Oh, I forgot to do something. I'm so glad I looked at that. So I want to go back to open up that folder, that drawing. It is important, this is important because it won't go into your on the website unless it's a JPEG. So I have to hit File, and then come down here to download as a JPEG. Oops, didn't do it. Let me try it again. Download as a JPEG. I click that, and now it downloaded as a JPEG. I'm just to make sure that that's in the right folder. I'm going to click on that. I think it might save it to my drive in general, but not the art folder. Okay, so can you see it there? It is in the regular folder. You can leave it there if you remember it's there. Some people forget, so you can go ahead and put it up here to the art folder, and that way when I go into art, it sees Photo 1. One is a JPEG, and one is just a Google drawing. We have to use the JPEG to go into our account. So make sure you save it as a JPEG. That's important. And then I'll show you in the next video how to get it on the web